Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is your host, Richard Dang with Credit Hustle and Finance. And boy, do I have a treat for you today. Loan me $250,000 in as little as 2 hours. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, $250,000 in less than or around about 2 hours or as little as 2 hours. Let me say it that way. Okay, so what is LoanMe? LoanMe is a company that's designed for people who may be struggling to get financing. Okay, now they do work with people with great credit as well, but the great thing about LoanMe is that they will work with you if you have a credit score as low as 500. Okay, so if you're in the 500s, we have good news for you today. I'm fixing to go ahead and jump in and show you some of the features and benefits of LoanMe. And if you stick around to the end, I'm going to be talking about how you guys can get set up for our 50K giveaway where So what is LoanMe? LoanMe Business Loan is a short-term business loan available for all for-profit businesses that have been in business for at least 3 months, okay? And their lending limits are as follow: 3,500 up to $250,000. Now, the beauty of this is that what happens with most companies, they are either going to require you to have a really good FICO score, or they're going to require you to be in business for a year or so. And with this company, what I like is that if you've been in business for as little as 3 months, you can get up to $250,000 within 2 hours. And the great thing, let me point this out. Now, being in business for 3 months, one caveat I want to tell you about to look out for is you have to have they go by the business checking account. So let's say if you've been in business for 4 months or five, you could be in business for a year. Let's say you had your LLC for a year or what have you. Another great thing about this, why I'm bringing it up, is they work with sole proprietors as well. Many companies will not even lend to a regular sole proprietor, but they will lend to sole proprietors. But one thing I want to talk about is the fact that if you've been in business, let's say for 6 months, well, they're going to go off the bank account. So if your bank account is less than 3 months old, it's not going to work. Okay. And we have some tips on how to build the perfect 3-month banking profile so that you can get the maximum amount of money. That's going to be shared on other videos and other resources. But as for now, you have to have a bank account that's at least 3 months old. What does it take to qualify for this business loan? Number one, the owner have to be 21 years or older. You have to have a personal credit score of 500 or above, and you have to be a for-profit business. What I like about LoanMe is they don't have restrictions. Like a lot of companies will not work with, let's say, medical marijuana companies, or they will not work with certain high-risk industries, certain financial service companies. Some people won't even work with lawyers. And different companies have different restrictions, but they have no restrictions as long as you are a for-profit business and you meet these qualifications. Your loan application will be considered for financing. Now, what are some of the benefits of this loan? Number one, you're going to have a fixed automated monthly payment. This is really huge, guys, because in the high risk lending space, most companies are going to require you to make a daily payment, or they're going to require you to make a weekly payment. With this particular company, they're going to set you up on a monthly basis. So that's going to help with cash flows. And another thing I want to throw out there as well is if you're listening to this and you're currently paying a daily payment loan or a weekly payment loan, and you want to get set up for a monthly, they will refinance your current financing. So that's something to take into consideration. Number two, you need to make no need to make payments daily or weekly. Just went over that. And then also the terms. I like this company because they stretch the terms out from 6 to 60 months, which is very huge. With most of the short-term lenders, they're going to require you to pay off the loan within, let's say, 9 months. Some of them go even less than that. Some of them require you to pay it off within 4 months. And some may even go as high as, 24 months. But for the most part, any short-term financing company in this space, when you're dealing with high credit risk, they are going to require you to pay it off a whole lot sooner. So with LoanMe, you got 6 to 60 months to pay the loan back. Okay, so this is an excerpt from LoanMe's website. And if you can see here where it says business financing at the speed of now. Cool thing about this loan program is they're not requiring any prepayment penalties. Now, whenever you are considering financing, you're going to always ask the company that you're working with or the finance agent that you're working with, are there going to be any prepayment penalties for this? Because a lot of these high risk, high interest rate loans, you want to have the flexibility of paying it off a whole lot sooner so that you can save on interest. Number two, one low fixed monthly payment. I just mentioned that. And then also, listen, they go up to 10 years. So that's really huge, but there's no daily payment. Only pay interest for the days that you borrow. Efficiency loan process. Now, I've gotten several clients approved through LoanMe, and their loan process is really swift and really fast. And same day funding. So similar to what I just said, same day funding, apply online 24 hours a day, 24/7, and get funds as little as 2 to 4 hours. And guys, this company works on the weekend as well. So that is very huge when it comes to being able to get your business financed. So now let's take a look at a couple of reviews, and then we're going to wrap this video up. Okay, so LoanMe currently with the Better Business Bureau has a minus credit rating, which is really, really good in the loan space, and that's out of 214 customer reviews. So that's really huge because in this space, for a company to have an A rating, it says a lot about their customer service and their actual loan product itself. Also, let's take a look at their Trustpilot. So LoanMe Trustpilot, they have 1,777 reviews. And with these reviews, they have, they have an excellent rating of a 4.7. So that's a real high trust factor score when it comes to the lending space. Lastly, with Consumer Affairs, this company has a overall satisfactory rating, and you can see most of their actual clients have given them a 5-star review. And cool thing about it, the pros is that you receive the funds within 3 to 4 hours. You can apply online in minutes, and I'm going to share a link below so that you'll know where to apply below. And then also you can use it for small or personal small business or personal loans, and there's no minimum credit score. And so the cons here is that you can't see, well, I can scroll up a little bit. The cons is that the interest rate is a little bit higher and limited availability. So if this is something that you're dealing with, you want to go ahead and click the link below. Hello guys, and welcome to our new channel. So in order to celebrate the launch of this new channel, we're going to be giving away a $150,000 giveaway. Yes, you heard it right, $150,000 business credit and finance program that we normally sell for around $5,500 and something odd dollars. We're going to actually give this program away to one of our lucky subscribers. So I'm going to tell you what you have to do to enter after I explain what you get. So one lucky individual, hopefully it's you, you're going to get a one-on-one coaching session with our team. Now, I was talking to the team and I said, hey, we have to do something to reward our new subscribers and to kind of get some traction going on the channel. So we're not going to just throw you, give you some, a set of videos and say good luck. No, we're going to actually work with this individual as if you were a paying client. Okay. So you're going to get a one-on-one coaching session. You're also going to get access to our software that has 4,000 net 30 vendors in it. We have over 13 banks at present, as well as SBA lenders. We also, for our real estate people out there, we also have fix and flip loans and hard money loans and private money lenders that we use for our own deals. You're going to have access to those lenders as well. Now, how cool is that? But it doesn't stop there. You're also going to get over 250 credit cards that you can use to build, launch, or fund your business idea or your real estate investment empire. So let me tell you what you need to do to get started. All you have to do in order to be considered is there's no money involved. You don't have to spend a dime. Okay. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel and like one video. Okay. Subscribe to the channel, like one video, comment your city or state below. Okay, we want to know where are you coming in from, and then also fill out our 2-minute survey form, and that we're going to use this form to make sure that we're producing the right content and we're producing content that matters to our viewers. Okay, so with that being said, good luck. My name is Richard Dang. I'm going to be your host, Credit Hustle Finance. Make it a great day.